Okay, in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to record a Zoom meeting using OBS Studio. So first of all, we go to the search bar on your browser and you type OBS. The first website that pops up, you click on it, and then you're on the OBS Studios page. Now, depending on the operating system you're using, if you're using Windows, click on Windows. A Mac, you click on Mac or Linux. So I'm using a Windows. I can click on Windows, and your download starts automatically. You click on save. I already have OBS Studio here, so there is no need for me clicking on that. So you can just cancel. But you can save and continue to download. So I will go ahead and install OBS Studio. Double click on it, and yes, next, install. So OBS today is installing. To take a little time. OBS has completed installing, so I'll just launch OBS. So next is configuration of OBS. We just launch. I prefer to click on the second option because I'm just using it for recording. I say next. Next, continue with the default, and apply settings. Now, if you're not using, there's a setting that affects OBS in some systems, especially if you have not updated your display driver, which I noticed. So I will go ahead and I think it's in output and then recordings. In case it affects you earlier, you can try changing it. If it doesn't affect you, you can leave it like that. So I go to settings and I click on software rather than hardware, apply, and I also want to change where my video will be saved. Okay, still in recordings. I don't want it. OBS automatically saves in your videos, but I want it to save on my desktop, so I change it to my desktop. Yeah, you can decide to create a folder. OBS videos. Okay, that's okay. Select folder. So I've changed my download folder, rather saving folder. Apply and okay. So now we want to begin recording, but first of all we have to set up our sources, where our audio and our video source will be coming from. So I click on this plus under the source page. I click there and I select display capture. I want to name this Zoom meeting. I say okay. Now it's already view my screen. So now you don't want to, when you're recording a Zoom meet, you don't want your cursors to be showing, so you can decide to untick this. If you want your cursors to be showing during your recording, you can tick it back, but I want to untick it, so I will untick this. I'll say okay, and my video source is set. So I want to set up my mic. The mic is already set up here, but still I want to show you guys how to do this in case your mic is not responsive. You go here, go to input, audio input capture, you click on it. I decide to name this mic, and okay, you can decide to select the mic depending on what you're using. This is what I'm using. I'll leave it at that, and I'll say okay. Now I'm talking. As I'm talking, you can notice that the mic is responsive. These bars are responsive to what I'm saying. They are moving as I talk. If I mute it, they turn gray, which means the system can't pick what I'm saying. It's just showing that I'm saying something, but it can't pick it. So I'll mute them. Now we also want to hear what our guests in the meeting are also saying. Now we have to also set up their audio. So we still go to this plus sign here, and we click on audio output capture. For our mic, we clicked on input, audio input capture for our house. Now this one will be clicking on audio output capture. Now I can decide to name it guest mic, and I say okay. Still, you have to choose the speaker where it's coming from, so I'll leave that my own at this. Okay, now we have to test this guest mic whether it's actually working. Okay, I'll play a YouTube video to test this. Okay, OBS Studio. So I'll play this video to test this.
Hello, tutorial shows you how to change IP address, change your public IP, hide IP address.
As you can see, the guest mic was working perfectly. So we are all set. Now don't mind the way OBS is looking like this, because it's capturing, we capturing OBS. This is because we are capturing everything on my screen. So once I want to start recording, I can decide to make this a full screen. Yes, and let me get back to OBS. Once I make this a full screen, then I click on start recording. It starts recording. Once I minimize it, I minimize OBS. OBS is now recording my full screen. As you can see, it's recording my full screen. So anything I do, say it records everything on your screen though. So it will record this as full as this. So once we want to end the recording, we come back to OBS and we click on stop recording, and it stops. So I'll go back to my desktop where I saved this video just to show you that it's working. Now it starts recording. Once I minimize it, I minimize OBS, OBS is now recording my full screen. As you can see, it's recording my full screen. So anything I do, say it's just you record. You can see it's working. Now you have your video with no stress to it. And that is it, guys. This is how to record your Zoom meeting using OBS. Thank you for watching.